Alright, so we're going to look how to get this table onto this graph and then approximate a best fit line. I'm going to look right here. I need to get my distance, so my y values all the way up to 200. I need to get my x values all the way up to 34. So I'm going to want to click on this graph and change the scale first, so I'll be able to see all my points. So that'll be under settings, and I want my x's, we said, to go from at least 3 to 34. So we're going to start our x at -2 just so we can see a little bit of the axis, and we'll finish it at 40. Okay, y-axis, we want that to run from again, we'll go a little bit negative so that we can see the axis, and then we want to get it all the way up to 225. I might have to make this bigger. That's just adjusting the axis. Now you can see, I'll be able to see almost all of my points, if not all of my points on that graph. I'm going to enter these points as ordered pairs. There are other ways to do this, but this will be the simplest way. So 315, that's my first point. You can see right there, and you see it appeared on the graph. Okay, now I'm going to just enter them all in number 1, 528. So that's my list of ordered pairs coming straight from this table here. And we've got ourselves a nice little scatter plot. Okay, this is a pretty strong positive correlation. Now, we're going to put in a general equation. Y equals slope times x plus y-intercept. Okay, now you see down here where it says add sliders for m and b. We're going to want to, yes, do that. Add a slider for m, add a slider for b. And what that's going to let us do is make adjustments to the variables m and b. Alright, so I can go from -10 to +10 on each of these. Hopefully I won't need to do more than that. I'm going to adjust the slope first. I want it to be, look at that. I want it to be catching most of the points. Alright, so it looks like if I adjust this downward a little bit, looks like that might be a best fit line right around there. So if I want to have whole numbers, I could adjust to the nearest whole number. Alright, now this is just a coincidence that we happen to have m and b be opposites. That's not always going to happen. But anyway, this will be an approximate best fit line, and our equation is y equals m, which is 7, times x plus b, which is -7. So if I wanted to rewrite that, y equals 7x minus 7, right? That's our best fit line. Okay, it's just an approximation. There are ways to get a more exact, more official best fit line, but this is the simplest way to get a pretty decent approximation, and that's what you're going to have to do for a few exercises after watching this.